Ever said something and instantly regretted it? Feel like conversations just go sideways? What if you could talk to anyone with total confidence? Stick around, this changes everything. Learn in this video. Okay, hands up if you've ever said something and immediately wanted to grab the words out of the air and shove them back into your mouth. Person raising hand, male sign, we've all been there. At a family dinner, a work meeting, in the car with your partner, you name it. But what if I told you that mastering conversation isn't about being the loudest or the smoothest talker? It's about a few simple, brilliant switches. Today, we're breaking down the blueprint to communicate with unshakable confidence. Let's go! Here's the big idea from communication expert Jefferson Fisher: what you say is who you are. Think about it. People can't see your kind thoughts or your good intentions. They only experience you through your words. If you say rude things, you're a rude person. If you say kind things, you're a kind person. It's that simple. You are compressing your entire personality into the sentences people hear. So, what do most of us get wrong? We treat arguments like a tug-of-war, something to win. But that just creates a bigger mess. Instead, think of an argument as a knot in a conversation. If you both just pull harder on your end, the knot just gets tighter and more impossible to undo. The goal isn't to win, it's to unravel the knot together. Here's your first ninja move. When someone attacks you with, "Why would you say that?" and you feel that defensive rage bubbling up, don't defend yourself. Instead, ask this magical question. What did you hear? Boom. This shifts the entire conversation. It's not about what you meant anymore, it's about what they received. You're now on the same team, working to untangle the knot instead of strangling each other with it. And if you're the one who's annoyed, never start a sentence with why. Why did you do that? It's a judgmental attack word that makes people dig their heels in. Instead, swap it for what? What was going through your mind when that happened? What made you choose that option? See? Why is a poke? What is curiosity? It makes you sound like a brilliant therapist instead of a nagging parent. Now, for delivering bad news or tough feedback. We all do the compliment sandwich, a nice thing, a harsh truth, another nice thing. Forget the sandwich. Everyone sees it coming from a mile away and they just sit there, waiting for the gross mental part. Just rip off the Band-Aid. Be direct. This isn't going to be a fun conversation, but I need to talk to you about X. By tap dancing around it, you're basically saying you don't think the other person is emotionally strong enough to handle the truth. Be kind, but be clear. What about when someone belittles you? Oh, you're still single, or a backhanded comment about your weight or job? Their goal is to get a reaction from you. So, take all the fun out of it. Just look them dead in the eye and say, "I need you to repeat that." Or, "Did you mean to say that to hurt me?" Suddenly, the spotlight is on them. They have to explain their nastiness. It's incredibly awkward for them. They won't do it twice. For outright disrespect, your best weapon is silence. Just wait. Let the awkwardness hang in the air for a solid 10 seconds. Let them marinate in what they just said. Then, respond calmly with something like, "That's below my standard for a response." You're not stooping to their level. You're calmly stating that their behavior is beneath you. You instantly flip the dynamic and take back control. So, let's recap your new communication toolbox. 1. You are your words. 2. Untangle knots, don't win fights. 3. Ask, what did you hear? 4. Use what, not why. 5. Rip off the Band-Aid and tell people they can handle it. 6. For insults, kill them with a request to repeat it. 7. For disrespect, use silence and class. Talk with intention. Be direct with kindness. Now go out there and communicate like the brilliant, confident person you are. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest communication struggle? Throw it in the comments below. I hope you learned this channel. Thanks for watching.